yourself. Start, beta. You can start. You can start.
My name is Veda. Today we will be doing a role play about
online class.
Zoom class.
I am Sia and today we are going to do a role play about online class.
My name is Sharvi and today we are going to do a role play about online classes.
Yes, good morning.
Sia is a teacher and we are the students.
Sharvi and Veda are students. Yes, good morning everyone.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to do history.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday I gave you homework. Did you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
वेदा तुमने कंप्लीट किया? अरे Veda's internet is खराब. Veda, your voice is not coming.
Veda, your voice is not clear, beta.
Ma'am, this is part of the this.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, this is a Zoom class and we're just trying to end it. So this is all just pretending.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Continue, beta.
Yes. Why did you do, Veda? Veda? Veda, hello? Did you do?
Yes, ma'am. I did it.
Yes, everybody show your homework on the screen.
My dog ate my homework.
The dog?
Yes.
You don't have a dog.
Ma'am, my dog ate my homework.
No, you don't have a dog. And where is Sharvi gone?
Ma'am, I think she left the class.
Why did she leave the class?
I don't know.
You have her mummy's number. Tell your mummy to call her. And show me your home.
Ma'am, my dog ate my homework.
That is not type of excuse. That is not type of excuse. Chupchap, show me your homework.
But ma'am, my neighbor's dog ate it.
अरे शार्वी तुम होमवर्क दिखाओ.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, let me remove my book.
Very good. अरे यहाँ पेन से क्यों लिखा है? You should write with pencil ना.
Ma'am, it is pencil.
I can clearly see it is pen.
No, ma'am, it
don't act like big kids. चलो वैसे भी let's start with the class. So today we are going to learn about the medieval age. Okay. Veda, tell me what you know about medieval age. Veda, tell.
You.
What?
You.
You cannot hear me?
Yes, ma'am, there is a construction going on.
Oh. Okay. Sharvi, you tell me what do you know about medieval age of history?
I can't see your board because my screen is full black.
Just tell na. You can hear me na at least. अरे ये शार्वी का तो इंटरनेट ही खराब है. ओके.
Oh, ma'am, you.
What should I do of these girls? Tell me, Sharvi.
Ma'am, class
Yes,
time
Veda.
is over.
What? Class time is over?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I heard the bell. Okay, bye, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Are you done, girls?
Yep.
Yes.
Ma'am, all those like sounds for Zoom
Yes.
and the disturbance background noise sounds were
Oh.
all part of the play.
It was fantastic. You know, it was
Ma'am,
fantastic.
and we also had that Zoom Kana, so it could be real. So we thought it would be an online class only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have videos here.
I really thought it was a disturbance. And when Sharvi's video was off, I was trying to take her in. But it was fun. मुझको मजा आया. I felt like real classroom. These are the all problems we teachers face, you know, especially school ke teachers. It was very good. I liked it. Clap everyone. Come on. Your friends have done good job.
Ma'am, actually, I told them to
It
do a
was
chewing gum part
really-
also, in which they are going to tell.
Wait. One by one. When
Really not good.
Sharvi, wait. एक second, wait. हाँ, what is it, teacher ji? What is it?
I can't see.
Sia, what did you say?
Ma'am, actually, there was a chewing gum part in which I will ask Veda why she's chewing gum, but somehow that message could not reach.
अच्छा, okay. ठीक है.
Ma'am, and all those sounds where the voice was breaking, that was all on YouTube.
Oh my God. Acha, you were playing it simultaneously. I
Yes,
could see
ma'am.
you doing something, but
And
it was very good
um,
synchronization.
my
And ma'am,
was really bad.
Wait, let this little girl speak. Sharvi, बोलो. इसका इंटरनेट ना सच्ची में खराब रहता है. When Sia said, I was like, हाँ, Sharvi का इंटरनेट. Yes. Sharvi will put you in meeting room. Wait for 1 second. It might help. I hope this helps. हाँ वेदा बोलो बेटा.
and ma'am, Sia was
Start.
Hello, my name is Ayushi Sharma and we are going to do a role play.
My name is Dhwani Manpulkar and we are going to do a role play.
I don't want. Wait. My name is Raksha, and we are going to do a role play. I don't want to walk. Let's take a taxi instead.
Okay, let's go. Here we are.
We are.
I can't hear.
Ma'am, neither can I cannot hear.
I can't hear girls. Dhwani, Lily.
Yeah, ma'am.
Someone has to speak so that I can hear. No, Raksha, I can't hear. Raksha, I can't hear.
Oh, I think then we forgot the line.
What? Ma'am, I didn't understand what she said.
I think she said someone forgot the line. But I don't know your skit, so I can't say really.
Yeah, ma'am, I think somebody's internet connection is bad.
Raksha, you can come back to your place. There was good internet. When you change your
Yeah.
position, na tab गड़बड़ हो गया सारा. Girls, start, beta. Girls, start. Speak, speak, speak. Come on.
Hey Lily, I'm very hungry.
How about going to a restaurant? But I'm tired of walking. Let's take a taxi and go.
Okay, let's go. We are here.
Yeah.
Let's go to the playground.
We already went to playground.
Come on, girls. Keep speaking. I can't hear.
You're
Who is on mute?
ghost.
Ghost, why did you go on mute, Ghost?
Ma'am, I don't know. Maybe I.
Okay, okay. Come on, continue. Come on, continue. Come on, come on.
Hello, I'm Polly the ghost.
Oh, you scared me.
Yeah. So I am the ghost that teaches the people on earth that not to pollute, and it seems like you're polluting the earth right now. Ma'am, I need to screen share.
Yeah, I will make you host.
No, ma'am, you just need to allow me to screen share.
अच्छा चलो करो करो.
Ma'am, you did not allow me to screen share.
There was no message, beta. Wait, I will just make you host ना ले लो. Make host. चलो आप host बन गए. करो करो.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Oh yes, a beautiful PPT.
Can you see this turtle? It is wrapped all around in plastic. So you can see that you should not throw the plastic as it hurts the creatures above and below the ground. Let me take you on another adventure. Can you see this bird dying in the hands of this human? This shows that we should not pollute the air as well, because smoke is harmful for the birds. So we should not cause pollution.
So sad. We'll not do pollution.
From this, we understand that we should not pollute the earth, because when we pollute the earth, it affects our ecosystem, which hurts us humans in bad ways. That is why we should not pollute the earth. We should plant trees instead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, that's nice. Let's just finish everything today, huh?
Hello, Hello, I'm Raksha's cat, Kyla, and I thought that today I could do something really special. I could scratch up some plants out. Oh, I thought going outside to scratch plants, but the plants came to me. New plants are in the balcony. I'm going to scratch them up. Oh no! Raksha's sister, she's going to close the door. Run! Ow! The door hit Kyla and got her hurt. So then Kyla never scratched plants again. But not never. She did scratch them sometimes.
Oh. So are you done, baby?
It didn't come good.
Acha, okay, can everyone show me their artworks? I'm just taking a screenshot and the recording maybe. Show na. I will also show mine. This is mine. Oh. Okay, let's click a picture. Oh, this is not taking my screenshot. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, that's wonderful, children.